Yo, what's up? It's your boy X-Treme and welcome back, my boys, to another video. Another cooking recipe, my boys. It's been a hot minute that I did a review on a cooking video. So today we are going to do a liver stew with roasted potatoes, my boys. So my boys, the ingredients for these recipes are, here we have the kilo liver. As you can see, we have the kilo liver. Here we have a kilo. Here you have 500 grams of mushrooms. My boys, we are going to do also some 40 cloves of garlic. Here we have the basil, the mint and the parsley, some fresh parsley. My boys, we are going to also do some asparagus. We have asparagus here. We have the fresh garlic for the roasted potatoes. Here we have the roasted potatoes. The potatoes that we are going to boil, and then I will show you how I will roast them, my boys, with my special ingredients. So we're gonna do with the liver, we're gonna do some mixed Italian herbs. We're gonna do also some garlic powder, rabbit seasoning, mild curry, minced garlic. For the gravy, here we have the basil and the mint. We're gonna cut them also. I'm gonna show you how to gonna cut them. Here we have some chicken casserole with herbs and spices, roast pork gravy with a hint of sage, roast beef gravy, deep rich flavor, and we're going to do creamy pork and mushrooms with herbs and spices. So we're gonna start by cutting the liver, garlic, mushrooms, parsley, mint and basil, and then we will start by frying the things. We are back, my boys. As you saw, my boys, we cut everything up, my boys, for the preparation. So here we have the mushrooms, my boys. Here we have the onions. Here we have, my boys, the basil, the mint and the parsley. The 40 cloves of garlic, the kilo of liver that we spoke about. My boys, after that, we found out that we have some kidneys. We're gonna leave them like this. And we are going, and the asparagus that we cut just at the bottom of the asparagus, we are going to fry them as well, my boys. Here we have the potato ready. As you see, we are going to start by roasting the potato. I'm going to show you how, my boys, because the liver doesn't take long. So we're going to start by the potatoes first. So now, my boys, for the roasted potato, we are going to put some fresh garlic. That's it. We are going to put some olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. We are going to put some minced garlic. And we're gonna do some Italian herbs. The Italian herbs, we're only gonna use them for the roasted potatoes. Like that. And now we are going to grab a spoon. And we are going to mix them up. Like this. And we are going to put them in the convection oven. Bless you! Yes, hello! And we are going to put them. I'm sorry, this is what the camera woman had to sneeze. Shout out to the camera woman behind the scenes. Let's stop there. We mix them very good. And we are going to put them for about 20 minutes in a convection oven. My boys. So now, my boys, as you saw, we put the oil. So we're gonna fry the onion. The garlic. My boys, and that's it. We are going to fry them well golden color, my boys. We are going to let them come golden color, and we will be right back as they come golden color. So now, my boys, that the onions and the garlic are golden color, we are going to put the mushrooms. Hi boys. We are going to put the liver with the blood. Parsley, the basil and the mint. And the kidneys. We're going to mix them up. Like that, we are going to mix them up. We're going to leave them a bit like that on low temperature, not high flame, low flame. We are going to bring, my boys, because I almost fucking forgot, we are going to bring some wine. Like that. We're going to put it inside the pot. So now that we put the wine, we are going to mix it up. We're going to let it cook for a bit, for a few minutes. After about 2 minutes, we are going to put our gravy that I showed. Now, for this, we are going to also put some mild curry, some rabbit seasoning, let's put it on. We have some garlic powder we are always going to put. And let's mix it up. Let's mix them up like this. And let's let it cook like that. Slowly, we are going to let it cook slowly in low flame. Low flame, as you see. No flame like that. So now, my boys, as you see, we are going to make the gravy. Here we have the asparagus. As I said, I'm going to boil some asparagus. These asparagus we are going to, after 3 minutes, drain the water and fry them with some lemon juice, my boys. Here we're gonna have some fucking gravy. We're gonna start with cream pork and mushroom. Cream pork and mushroom ready. Some roast beef gravy. This one is done. So we're going to throw that away. So now we're going to put some roast pork. We didn't get much. So we're gonna put it as well. And some chicken casserole with herbs and spices. We're gonna put some water. We're gonna end up putting more wine actually. Take this to our end up like this. Now we're gonna put some more wine. Put up some more wine like that. Mixture it up. I'm gonna mix it up a bit and let it sit for about 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and then that's it. It's done. While this one is cooking, it's sitting here, we are going to prepare the asparagus, my boys, in lemon juice. We're going to fry it in lemon juice. So, my boys, these are the final result of the liver, my boys. Stew liver in roasted potatoes. We are back to the fucking results of the stew. This is the stew, the liver stew, with the asparagus, It's your boy, X-Treme X-Car. I'm out. Bye!